Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the waiter and alarms notifications on the CMAP application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes. And tap to the settings icon. Scroll down and in the push notifications section you can find the Veter alarms option and just tap to the white square icon and new is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.